What will happen in the next few hundred years? Ever wondered what the future holds, whether it's a few decades from now or a few billion years down the line? Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to take a mind-blowing journey through time. We're talking about what could happen in the next few hundred years. And even in the far, far future, all the way to the end of the universe itself. Sounds wild, right? Let's dive in. So, let's start with the near future, shall we? In just 10 years, you'll be, well, 10 years older. I know it's a bit obvious, but stick with me. In 100 years, things are going to look completely different. Technology will have leaped forward in ways we can hardly imagine. We're talking about a world that's even more interconnected, where we're all part of a web that's much larger than today's internet. It's going to be mind-boggling. By then, humans will have taken our first steps toward colonizing nearby planets, with Mars as the first major target. A century from now, humans will be the first living species we've known to live outside of Earth. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's jump 1,000 years into the future. 1,000 years. Humans in the year 3024 will be fully integrated with technology. Ever heard of cyborgs? Well, get ready, because in the future, everyone might be a cyborg. We'll have technology inside our bodies, enhancing our abilities and potentially even extending our lives. It's no longer just science fiction. It's the future of humanity. But it's not all smooth sailing ahead. Fast forward 10,000 years, and things get intense. The star Antares, a massive red supergiant, will explode in a supernova, lighting up the sky brighter than ever before, visible even in the daylight. And of course, Earth may experience a supervolcanic eruption that could cover vast areas with ash and lava. Cataclysmic, right? Then, in 500,000 years, Earth could face a massive asteroid impact, and unless we figured out a way to deflect it, we could be in for some serious destruction. Let's take a giant leap 4 billion years from now. This is when our Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. This massive cosmic event will merge the two galaxies into one new supergalaxy, and it could radically change the cosmic landscape. Who knows what Earth will look like then? In about 7.9 billion years, the Sun will expand into a red giant, potentially swallowing the Earth in the process. If Earth survives, it'll become a cold, lifeless world as the Sun continues to shrink into a white dwarf, leaving the solar system a frozen husk. But that's not the end of the story. Let's look even farther, 100 billion years into the future. By this time, the universe will have expanded so much that galaxies will no longer be visible to each other. The stars we know will burn out, and new ones won't be born. It's the beginning of the dark era, where space itself will grow cold and dark. And now, let's get even crazier. In about 10,107 years, even black holes will evaporate, leaving only emptiness, a complete void. It'll be a universe devoid of matter, time, and life. But wait, there's still hope. Kind of. After an unimaginable amount of time, something called a false vacuum will explode, creating a new universe, much like how the Big Bang started our universe. It could be the beginning of an endless cycle, with new universes coming into existence after the old ones fade away. So, what does all of this mean for us? Well, for now, the best thing we can do is make the most of the time we have. The universe may have its own timeline, but right now, we are alive, experiencing the wonders of existence. So get outside, explore, and don't forget to enjoy the present. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing facts, and let me know in the comments, what do you think the future holds? Until next time, stay curious.